Today I've got a hair video for you. I'm just about to go out and I thought, do you know what, let me quickly film a video while I'm all ready and my makeup and hair is done. I wanted to share my secret combo of squeaky clean dandruff free hair. And I have had dandruff, I've struggled with dandruff my whole entire life, probably from when I can remember. From the age of 12 I've had dandruffy hair and I've tried everything, like everything, the usual tea gel, scrubbing lemon in my hair. I remember one time my mum scrubbed a whole lemon in my hair, but there was times when it went away and it would just come back again. I mean, it wouldn't go away for very long, and when I would straighten my hair, my top of my shirt or my top would be covered in like white dandruff, or my trousers, and you could just see it. And it's an embarrassing thing to have. Like, dandruff is, who wants dandruff, right? It's just embarrassing. So I have tried so many different products and now I have found the perfect combo for clean, squeaky clean and dandruff free hair, and I want to share it with you guys. And it's the most inexpensive, cheapest kind of products that I'm using, and you can probably get hold of them whichever country you're in, I hope. Now you're probably thinking your hair doesn't look very clean or anything right now, but I have got a lot of product in my hair because obviously I've curled it and styled it, and I use so many different products in my hair. Hence why getting it squeaky clean and getting all that product buildup out is really important for me, and also not having dandruff. They're two really important things. And I was struggling for many years, and over the last 6 months I found a combo that really works for me, so I wanted to share it with you today. Okay, so the first product for this squeaky clean part is this Body Shop Fuji Green Tea Cleansing Hair Scrub. I know, it's kind of weird, hair scrub, right? I'd never heard of a hair scrub before myself. I'm all about the body and the body polish and the body scrubs, and I've tried many of them and I've done videos on that in the past, but I'd never heard of a hair scrub. Now, Body Shop about, I don't know, about 6 months ago did like you know, like a 30% discount on all their items, and I was just browsing through and I came across it and I thought, you know what, let me just give it a go. I don't know, like, you know, it sounds pretty good. I mean, I love body scrubs, so let's give this hair scrub a go. And this is my second pot of it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it's just a thick, quite abrasive, scrubby beads inside, and basically, oh my god, this stuff is amazing. Like, you put it, I put it like on this part of my hair, and then I just massage it and scrub it, and your hair starts to squeak. That's how clean, and that's why I said squeaky clean, because it is clean and it just gets all that product and hairspray and, you know, all the different products that we put in our hair. I put so many products in my hair. By the time it comes to washing, I must have put like half a can of hairspray, half a can of dry shampoo in my hair, and it is built up with product. So that is the one that gets it squeaky clean. Now the one that gets it dandruff free. Now this is a dandruff shampoo, but have you ever heard of this? I'm dropping it. Have you ever heard of this? Alpha-Zil? I've never heard of it, and I've never heard of it, and I'd never tried it. And it is medicated shampoo, and it helps with psoriasis. Now, if any of you guys know what psoriasis is, a pretty severe skin condition, and you know, this, if it can get rid of like, or help with psoriasis, then you know, the dandruff stands no chance. So this stuff is incredible. I got this, and it has changed my life. What I did was, so I washed my hair with it the first time. I noticed, yeah, I mean, the dandruff had pretty much gone. I was like, that's amazing. But then what I did was I put it in my hair and left it into a towel for about 6 to 8 hours, and I just let it really get into my scalp, and then I washed it out. And I don't even use this every wash, and I have no dandruff now. It's literally cleared it up. Generally my dandruff has literally gone away. Like, I've not seen dandruff in ages, and when I do see a bit of flakiness, that's not even dandruff, it's just all the buildup of product that's flaking out my hair. So, you know, and I can tell when it's dandruff and when it's just product flaking. So this is the stuff, guys, and I got this in, I actually got it in the pharmacy counter of Tesco's, but you probably get it Boots or Tesco pharmacy, anywhere. All pharmacies probably sell this. It's called Alpha-Zil 2-in-1 shampoo, and I think this was about £6. Oh, I forgot to say, this Body Shop stuff, I think I got it for about £6, but I think full price is probably about £10. I'm not sure exactly, but I'll put it below. One final product I want to show you that helps with just the softness and the condition of my hair, and that is the Mane and Tail conditioner. This is so inexpensive. I was in TK Maxx again about 10 months ago, and I saw it in there, and it was £2.99. £2.99 for like a large 355ml conditioner, and it is really good. It really conditions my hair. Now, I'm sure you can buy this on Amazon and quite a few different places, but I've tried so many shampoos and conditioners. I've literally tried probably a whole aisle of shampoos and conditioners, and this conditioner is amazing because my hair is literally like horsehair, so this has worked amazing in my hair and really leaves it, you know, when I come out the shower, it's so soft feeling and feels really conditioned and strong, and my hair's getting longer. I think this combo is working because my hair's grown quite a bit as well, and the volume, the thickness, you know, I'm really loving it right now, and I'm loving styling it and doing stuff with it. So I think that the combo of these three has really changed my hair, like dandruff free, squeaky clean and conditioned, thick, long and healthy hair. So guys, give it a go. There's one more product I want to tell you about. It's not to do with the squeaky clean or the dandruff stuff, but this product is the L'Oreal Silver Shampoo, and as you guys can see, I've got ashy brown blonde highlights in my hair, and to keep them ashy brown and blonde and no red, this is the stuff. I mean, this has lasted me ages. I think it's about down to there now. It's amazing. I put it on my ends or over my highlighted area, which is mainly around the front of my hair, and then what I do, I just leave it in when I'm in the shower for about 2 or 3 minutes and just let it really get into like all the highlights and just knock that red right out of there. So this stuff is really good if you guys have got color treated and you want ashy kind of hair and you want to like keep the red away, so give that a go as well. And that's it guys. So I wanted to share my combo. Like, I was so excited to share it with you, and I was like, if you guys, any of you suffer from dandruff, please try that shampoo, and that scrub is amazing, amazing. And you know, my hair's proof. It's growing, it's healthy, it's conditioned, I don't have any dandruff. Yeah, and it's working. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you've got any questions, do comment them below. I will always try and get back to you. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Bye!